Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Alright, we're here in Antipolo. So, corner property, single attached. Kung familiar kayo sa Magay Road, so pwede nyong i-waste yan. And okay kayo sa location, inquire lang kayo and kwentuhan tayo. Let's have a quick chat, no? Pag-usapan natin regarding the property details. Although, isasama ko naman yan sa description box. Paki-check nyo na lang. Then kung may question kayo regarding the payment terms and through bank financing, mga down payment, kung magkano, right? So inquire lang po kayo. Anyway, yung price natin dito is 10.5 million all in, kasama na yung transfer of title taxes, right? So samahan nyo ako, quick tour. This is a single attached property, corner lot, corner property. So isa sa highlights is yung parking space. Kahit malalaking SUVs, kasyang-kasya. So dalawang malalaking SUVs, kasyang-kasya. Hindi kayo mo problema sa parking. Yung owner, personal ko po talagang kakilala. So maayos po ito. I can guarantee you yung quality and maayos na kausap. Tara, pasok tayo. Welcome to your new home. So napapansin ko, taas ng ceiling. So high ceiling. Nandito, meron tayong sliding door. Okay, so ito yung magiging living area natin. So because of this, ito yung ating ito yung ating feature wall. So yung mga TV nyo, speakers, or kung ano man, yung pwede nyo ilagay dyan. On this side is yung ating dining. Right, dining area. Tignan, taas ng ceiling, oh. Dining area, and then yung kitchen area natin, which is merong built-in oven, cooktop, and a range hood. Then ito, pakita ko na rin, pasensya na kayo, medyo may kalat lang, no? Yung likod ng ating TV wall po, so ito, yung ating magiging storage room. Right? O, pasensya na, pasintabi. Medyo may kalat lang po talaga. Balik tayo dito. So, ito yung ating magiging kitchen area. Yung nakikita nyo dito sa ating video, kitchen area. Kung saan ako nakatayo, is yung ating dining area. Right? Iikutin ko lang. So yan yung ating magiging dining area. Pakita ko yung space. Alright? So yan. Again this is a single attached po na property. Corner lot po ito. Lot area natin dito is 113 square meter and yung floor area is around mga nasa 150, 160 ganyan. So nakita nyo naman yung parking space kanina. Dalawang malalaking SUV, kasyang-kasya. Alright? So dito sa ground floor, we have this bedroom, which is ideal po for senior or guest room. Okay, so ito yung space. Hindi ko alam sa video ko, pero kung ikukumpara ko po ito sa ibang projects, hindi hamak na mas spacious po ito. And then meron siyang built-in cabinet. Right? So hindi nakasagad doon sa ceiling. Again, price natin dito is 10.5 million all in. Kasama na po yung transfer of title taxes. And then, nandito yung ating common toilet and bath. Alright. Then, ito. So yung gate natin dito, meron tayong solid gate. So ito yung sa parking space, diba? Okay, so dito meron tayong service area. Ayan, may sink yan. Right? Tara, balik muna ako. Aray. Napakasimple lang ng layout niya. So, one bedroom, may one toilet, may one common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor, and then the living, dining, kitchen area, plus a storage room. Again, location natin, pwede nyong i-waze or i-search is Maggie Road. M-A-G-U-E-Y. Maggie Road, dito po sa may Antipolo. So, malapit po tayo sa may Robinsons, Antipolo. Alright, kung okay kayo sa area, mag-inquire po kayo. This is a 10.5 million property. Single attached. Corner lot. Spacious, yung ating parking space. Right? So, dito sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and a 2 toilet and bath. Of course, yung isa is nasa loob ng ating master's bedroom. So, dito, yan, din ako galing. Ground floor, paakyat dito second floor, we have a chandelier na parang strip lights, and then meron tayo dyang modern wall light. Parang leaf yung style po, leaf. So, dahon. Right? So, unahin ko to. First bedroom, dito sa ating second floor. Tignan yung ceiling. Taas ng ceiling, oh. Maganda yung high ceiling. Mas ma-appreciate nyo po yung convenient. Diba? Mas convenient po talaga kapag ka naka-high ceiling. So, ito, may built-in cabinet. Actually, parehas naman or lahat naman po. Ganda ng space. 10.5 million for a single attached. Goods na goods, di ba? Alright, so second bedroom natin dito sa ating second floor. Of course, may built-in cabinet din. And then, meron tayong common toilet and bath. So, kung sino po yung mag-occupy dyan sa 2 bedrooms na yan, meron kayong common toilet and bath. Kahit yung mga bathroom area, naka-high ceiling din. And last but not the least is yung ating master's bedroom. So, bungad pa lang, nandito na po kagad yung cabinet nyo. Another cabinet. Ayan, oh, may cabinet ulit dito. Siguro hindi na po ko kakapusin sa cabinets, ano? Ito. Okay. And then, of course, may sarili po siyang toilet and bath. Yan. Right. So, yung design, ganda. Modern, minimalist po. Na parang may pagka-industrial eh, yung effect. Then, naka-high ceiling. Ganda property, promise. Yan. Then dito, malalaking sliding window. Ayan, no? So, open nyo lang, nakikita nyo naman yung puno sa labas. Actually, ngayon, medyo parang may papasok na bagyo po eh. Ayan. So again, kayo na ko pa inulit-ulit. Maggie Road po. M-A-G-U-E-Y. Search nyo sa Google Maps, sa Waze. Kung okay kayo sa location, mag-inquire kayo. Usap tayo. Kwentuhan tayo. Explain ko sa inyo regarding the payment terms and the details ng property. Okay? So that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. Ingat po ang lahat, may papasok na bagyo. Alright, God bless everyone. Bye-bye.